Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing the viral tracksuit from Walmart. Now, you know Walmart has some stuff every now and then, but right now they do have a tracksuit that is going viral. I'm talking about the jacket. I'm talking about the shorts, man. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing, and you know I got to put it on, give you a couple of outfit ideas. When it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So like I said, we are reviewing that viral tracksuit, you feel me, that you can get at Walmart, and it only costs about $40, man. So I saw it on Instagram, it had been blowing up, everybody's talking about the tracksuit, so I said it's only right that I bring it to you guys, give you that full in-depth review, man. Now, one thing that I am going to say, it is very hard to find. So I went to my local Walmart and I was not able to find it. I actually had to order it online, and I will put the link in the description, so go ahead and check that out. So if you want it, boom, you got the link right there, you feel me? And yeah, man, so I went ahead, put that order in. It only took about a day for it to come, and I got my box right here, you feel me, directly from Walmart. And the brand, I believe, is No Boundaries, man. We're gonna go ahead and get it that good old slice down the middle. Then you know what time it is, man. We gotta peel it back, man. We're gonna go ahead and peel that thing back. Let's see what we got here, man. And I'm gonna let you know if it's some heat or if it's something that they should keep, you feel me? So here we go. Take this bubble wrap out of here. Man, hey, come on, man. That's a lot of bubble wrap, man. We don't got a tracksuit in here. Okay, yes, perfect. Here we go. We got two pieces, man. So we got first, it came in this plastic right here. Now this is probably only when they're doing the shipping, it'll come in this plastic. Let's go ahead and open this joint up. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, we looking pretty good here. So right here we do have the jacket. It's a very lightweight windbreaker material. As you can see, it is color blocked. We have the black. We have a deep red. It's almost giving like a burgundy-ish color. Then we have more black at the bottom. We do have, yep, we got pockets on both sides. As you can see, we got the pockets on both sides right here. Is this going to be a full zip? Yep, we got the zipper in black, full zip joint right here. Let's go ahead and look at the sides of the sleeves. We got that same color block in black, that deep red. We got some white on the sleeves as well. Looking good. Now this is like I want to say this is kind of like a basic set right here, but the good thing about a basic set is you can wear it with pretty much anything. Like, this is not branded. There's no like Nike logo, Adidas logo, so that means you could wear this with Nikes or with your favorite Adidas, or you might go with your Asics, you feel me, Sauconys. You can pretty much wear any shoe, any brand with this, which is one thing that I do like. Let's go ahead and turn it to the back, man. We have more black, same color block in here. We got that burgundy. And I did get this in a size medium. So I'm 6 feet, 175 pounds. In my Nike stuff, I always get medium. So I decided to go with the medium here. And the brand, if you, hopefully we can see the label on that. The brand is No Boundaries. No Boundaries. So we got the jacket right here. Let's see what this says. This is just a regular tag, windbreaker, oversized fit. So it's saying oversized fit. We'll see how it looks on body. Let's go ahead and get into the shorts. And I'll put the price up here. I believe the jacket was like maybe 20, 26, 25, something like that. We got the shorts right here. Let's go ahead and break these on down. Rip it out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. All right. And we have the matching shorts. Now, you know I love a good two-piece set, man. It takes the hard work out of getting ready. I got the top, I got the bottom. Let's roll. I'm gonna throw a white tee on or something and we good. So we have the shorts right here. Nice long drawstrings. The material on the drawstrings actually looks pretty good. Got that same windbreaker material, similar color blocking right here. We got the tag right here also. Let's see about these pockets. Nice mesh pockets, not too deep. Let's see what we got on this side. Yep, pocket. And we do have a pocket on the back. So if anybody was wondering, we do have a back pocket. You could put your wallet, something like that in. It's not too deep. I don't know if you will put a wallet back here. Maybe a card holder, something a little bit smaller, a little bit more slim. Here we go. And they actually included the hanger. So this is like a Walmart hanger if you've ever been in there. I don't know. Should I keep the hanger? You know, I never really hang up my shorts, but we'll see. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get into the inside of these joints. Good. So there's no liner. You know, sometimes that windbreaker has almost like a swimming trunk material type feel. There's no liner in there, which is a good thing. Boom. We got that front. Let's go ahead and put it on that back right there. This looks like it's probably going to be around a 6-inch inseam, you feel me? So it should hit above the knee. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and put this fit on and let's see if it is worth it. And right here, I do have the outfit on. I do have the top. I do have the bottom on, man. And I decided to throw it on with a burgundy and red LA Dodgers fitted hat, you feel me? I wanted to go ahead and throw that on because that stripe in the middle of the jacket is more of a burgundy than a bright red, so I felt like that hat would tie in very nicely. And that is a J-Tips joint, by the way, Hat Club exclusive. But yeah, the outfit, I feel like it looks really good. It's definitely comfortable. The fabric is very lightweight. You can go zip down, you can zip it all the way up. For the shoes, I threw on the Asics 2160s, and these are in somewhat of an off-white color. And I went with the off-white because the white on the jacket isn't a bright white. As you can tell from the difference in my undershirt, the white tee, and the white in the jacket, there is a difference right there. So for the shoes, I went with that kind of eggshell white as opposed to a bright white. And you know I had to give you another look, man, so I did decide to go ahead and throw the Pradas on, you feel me? Got the Prada cups, same outfit. This is just an example of how you can maybe dress it up or dress it down. You know, the other fit, more of a casual, everyday joint. This, maybe you going to brunch and you still kind of want to have that athletic vibe. Throw the Pradas on, went ahead, threw the glasses on, just to kind of give that little bit of an elevated look, man. Now, one thing I do want to say is the jacket is a little oversized. This is a medium and it's fitting me slightly baggy, man, but I am a big fan of the outfit. I feel like it's definitely worth it, and especially at these prices, you cannot go wrong. All right, and like I said, I did order that last set online, but I did have to go out of town for a little something, you feel me? So I said, you know, in LA, they don't have the set, man. I had to order it online. So when I was out of town, I did go to the local Walmart out there. So always check the one in your area, you feel me? But I did go to a different Walmart and they did have a different color. So I had to grab it. I gotta show it to you guys, man. So here we go. This one I was able to pick up in store. Here we go. Let's go take a look right here. I did get the gray set also. So there are a couple of different colors. I know they have the black and red, and they do have this gray. We got that two-tone gray, so we got like a darker gray. Then we have a light gray. We got a little bit of that white. And this is almost like an eggshell white. It's not a bright white, just as a heads up. Same drawstring right here. In the shorts, I did get a medium as well. We got a medium on the shorts. These joints, exact same pockets, same back pocket right here. With that gray, you can pretty much put any color with it. You can go gray on gray. You might go gray with like a little red. You can go royal blue. The gray will give you a lot of options as far as that accent color. So I could just bust this. I could look through my back, you know, my back wall of hats, throw any color, because the gray is going to pretty much rock with any color on these joints, man. So I did pick up the gray as well. Now the only thing, they did have the jacket, but in the jacket they only had a size small. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just get the small. We'll see how it works out. You know, we'll try it. If I can't fit it, I'll just give it to like my nephew or something like that. You feel me? But here we go. We have that same track jacket in the gray. Let me go ahead and zip it up so we can, perfect. So you can get that nice look all together. Now for this one, it's the same color blocking pattern. So we have the dark gray at the top, we have light gray in the middle, and we have more dark gray at the bottom. That same kind of eggshell white on the sleeves, as well as in the middle of the collar where the zipper is. As we look at the back, same exact design, man. Now these outfits you can't really beat for $40. You know, 40 bucks, that ain't gonna stretch too far. But if you can get a top and a bottom, a complete fit for 40, I feel like that is a win. Let me show you what this looks like on body. And right here, I do have the second fit on, and I am a big fan. Right here, I do have the Prada cups on in that gray. So this is the Prada cup in that gray on gray patent leather. And on the other foot, I did want to show what it looked like with some Jordans. So right here, we actually do have a Jordan 1 in that metallic silver, man. This is gray on gray also. I mean, you can go either way with it. You feel me? It does look good. We have the all white tee. We got the gray on the shorts. And I feel like that's just a really good combination, man. This right here would be something that you can wear Sunday brunch. You know, light vibes, not doing too much, but looking good at the same time. And as a reminder, this jacket right here is a size small. Remember, the other one was a size medium and it gave that oversized kind of baggy look. This one right here is a small, so it gives more of a tailored, you know, kind of more fitted look. And I decided to give you another look, man. Come on, it's only right. I decided to give you more of an athleisure style look with this outfit right here, man. So outfit the same top, same bottom, man. But what we did, we changed the shoes, we changed the accessories. Remember earlier I said with the gray you'll be able to change the accessories. We got the Sakai's gray with that navy blue. Went ahead, threw it on with that hat club joint, you feel me? So we got the Yankee Boy city icons at the top. I mean, it's overall just a really clean fit, man. Let me know which one was your favorite, the gray or the black, man. Like I said, I will put the link in the description. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You know I got more heat coming. It's your boy Ace of the Boogie, and I'm out.